A single wall split air conditioning unit is great for a single room. However, if you're looking to cover multiple rooms, you need to look at ActronAir's multi-split system, the MultiElite. The beauty of our MultiElite is that it allows up to 5 indoor unit heads to be installed throughout your home, office or retail space using just one outdoor unit. It also allows you to pick the best solution for specific rooms, whether it's a concealed bulkhead system or the ever-popular wall-mounted system. And with the greatest temperature operating range on the market, you can take comfort that your ActronAir will be there when you need it most. Most overseas air conditioners only work up to 46 degrees, some just 43 degrees. Fair enough, they come from cooler climates. ActronAir, however, has an operating range up to 50 degrees. Doesn't get that hot at your place? Think again. Temperatures around the outdoor unit can be a lot hotter than what they're saying on the weather report. Outdoor units can be affected by direct sun or heat radiating off the ground. They're often located against a wall or fence where there's low air circulation. In the Australian heat, where other air conditioners struggle and shut down, it's comforting to know ActronAir keeps powering on. Our MultiElite also uses more energy efficient DC inverter technology in its compressor, indoor fan and outdoor fan. Other multi-split systems often use less efficient AC technology, or combinations of both. It can make a huge difference to your electricity bill. Our DC brushless motor allows fine rotation control, reducing energy consumption, noise and vibration. This leads to improved efficiencies of up to 35% compared to AC technology. While powerful enough to keep the whole home in air-conditioned comfort, MultiElite's DC inverter can ramp right down to power a single room. MultiElite is all about choice, and that includes temperatures. Avoid those family fights, as MultiElite allows you to have different temperatures in different rooms at the same time. The MultiElite has capacities ranging from 5 kilowatts to 14 kilowatts. The 5 kilowatt can connect up to 2 heads, while the 14 kilowatt can connect up to 5 heads. These all connect to a single outdoor unit, allowing for a better use of energy and space. Tailoring to your tastes, you can also preset your favourite comfort levels and call upon them with a single touch of your controls. Stylish and refreshingly simple to use, our controls come with large white light displays and large buttons, all in plain English. Bulkhead systems come standard with a wall controller, while wall split systems come standard with a remote controller. For more precise temperature control, we've put additional temperature sensors inside the remote and wall controllers, providing better comfort at their location. For peace of mind, all ActronAir air conditioners are backed by our national service network, with service staff on the ground and parts on the shelves, not to mention our 5-year warranty. All that adds up to a better way to live. It's why more than 250,000 Aussies take comfort in ActronAir. That's better. That's Actron.